Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make mojito mix. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need fresh lime juice, which is absolutely crucial for that authentic, zesty flavor. Granulated sugar is perfect for creating a smooth syrup base, and fresh mint leaves will infuse your mix with a wonderfully aromatic freshness. Finally, a bit of water helps to balance everything out, creating a perfect foundation for your delicious. Now, let's craft the mint simple syrup, which is the heart of our mojito mix. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water with 1 cup of granulated sugar. Heat this mixture gently, stirring until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Then, add a generous handful of fresh mint leaves. Let the mint steep in the warm syrup for about 15 minutes to really infuse its flavor, then strain out the leaves for a clear, minty syrup. Now, to send your crypto, navigate to the Withdraw section on your exchange. You will need your blockchain wallet's unique receiving address, which is a long string of characters. It is absolutely critical to select the correct network, such as ERC20 for Ethereum or BEP2 for Binance Smart Chain. A wrong network choice could result in permanent loss of your funds. Always double-check the address and network before hitting send. Once your delicious mojito mix is ready, proper storage is key to keeping it fresh. Pour your homemade mix into an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will stay wonderfully fresh for up to 1 week, ready whenever you crave a refreshing drink. To serve, simply combine 1 part of your mix with 1 part white rum, top it off with some sparkling club soda, and garnish with fresh mint and a lime wedge for the perfect mojito.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.